Welcome back to your mathematics class. Students, today we will learn about HCF. HCF is highest common factors. So basically, what is HCF? Factors we have already done in our previous class. Now we will learn to find out highest common factor. So the name itself tells us that highest means largest, greatest. Common means same. Factor means factor. So here we will find out the largest same factor. So there are some methods of finding out HCF. Let's learn those methods step by step. So first, the definition of HCF is HCF, highest common factor, the greatest number. Highest common factor is the greatest number which divides two or more numbers. Highest common factor, which is highest common factor, divides two or more numbers exactly without leaving any remainder. मतलब HCF जो होता है वो एक greatest number होता है और वो कोई भी दो numbers को exactly डिवाइड करता है बिना किसी रिमाइंडर के छोड़े हुए. So we will learn how to find out highest common factor. So here let us take an example. Two numbers are 12 and 18. So I want to find out the highest common factor, the greatest number. वो एक number होगा और whenever I will divide that greatest number, whenever I divide these two numbers with that greatest number, we will get the remainder as 0. So let's check it out. First, I will write all the factors of 12, then I will write all the factors of 18. This is the first method. This method is known as listing the factors. In your exercise, this question related to this method is given. So we will solve the question in the same way. In the question, students, the method will be mentioned to you. Suppose in the question, if it is written, find out the HCF using the method listing the factors. So somewhere it must be written to you in the question, using the listing factors method. So you will follow this method. We can apply listing the factors method on 2 numbers and 3 numbers also. So I will explain you both the types. Let us start 12 and 18. First method, listing the factors. So here I will list all the factors. Factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, no, 5, no, then 6, then 7, no, 8, no, 9, yes, then 18. So we have listed all the factors here. Now I will find out the common factors. Common factor means the factors which are common in both the numbers. So here 1 is common factor, 2 common factor, 3 common factor, 6 is common factor. Rest all the factors are not common. So I will list out these common factors here. 1, 2, 3, 6. I will write these factors only once because they are common in both the numbers. So among these common factors, which is the highest number? This is the highest number. So HCF of both these numbers is 6. So HCF is both the number is 6. Now this is the highest common factor. So the definition says that the greatest number. So here 6 is the greatest number which will divide. 6 will be the divisor and these two numbers will be dividend. If we divide this 12 by 6 and if we will divide this 18 by 6, so it will divide these two numbers exactly and we will get the remainder as 0. It is very necessary if you are getting the HCF that HCF should divide both the numbers exactly without leaving the remainder. So this was all about HCF, the first method, which is listing the factors. So this is the first method and it is very easy. Now let us start with the next type. In that type I will take 3 numbers and I will list out the factors for all the 3 numbers to find out the HCF. So let's start the another method.